Aduh, ginoo ko.
Pinggirot, pinggirot. And that's a freaking
Good morning! Tignan nyo guys sa labas. Good morning. Oh my God. Ang taas na ng snow guys. Mga 6 inches na ata. Almost 8. 6 even. Something like that. Mataas na yun. Well, actually, it's maybe 4 inches now. Oh, loko. Good morning, guys. This is my morning. Snow never stopped since yesterday afternoon. Night, afternoon. Yeah, yun. Ang kapal na, guys. Ang kipyal. Wala na akong excuse, guys. Mag-shivel na talaga ako. I'm going to palapala the snow on our driveway. I think I'm going to start shoveling when the snow stops too, because, you know. But I don't have an excuse now because I have the boots. Tammy found the boots. Galing na sila sa labas. This one. And ito, gutom na naman. Who's gutom bag? Gutom bag? Bag? Dimpalert. Dimplers in the other side. Dimpalert. 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 What are you doing in there? Come here. Come here, baby. Ito siya. Sabi ko. Yung magbagid-bagid na yun. Tignan niyo. It's like, don't you dare open your mouth. Close your mouth. Yan gusto niya. Yan, nakabagid. Nakadikit sa akin. Kaya yan. Kapag itutulak ko pala yung dikit-dikit talaga. Ito din. Kami, ito din. Ito din. Tignan nyo. Iba-block niya si Misty. Come here, Mitch. Come. Iba-block niya yung sister niya. Pakiaroning nun. Mangkarok sa na love your sister. Pero you don't really. Tosh. Good girl, Mitch. You don't listen to me. Don't block Misty, huh? I love my Mitty. I love my Mitty-coos. I love my Mitty-coos. I love. Who's the baby? Who is the baby? Hala, ginoo ko pagka maldita gayud nimo ba? Maldita man ka ba? Kami Mitch, dance mama. Let Roxy do tignan niyo guys. Iba-block kami Mitch, kami iba-block niya si Misty. Come up. Sus ginoo ko na iba-block niya. Come here, Mitch. Come. Misty, come. Come up. Come. Datang. Tignan nyo, guys. Yung sobrang ganda talaga ng mga branches niya. Hala, may langgam dun, guys. May langgam, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. May langgam. Kawawang langgam, oy. Kita nyo siya? Olo, nilumpad. Hala, may dun o pula. Hala, may blue dun. Hala, may blue, oh. Yung blue, oh. Itong si Roxy gustong lumabas. Hala, nagalit si Roxy. Nagalit na si Roxy, guys. Nagagalit na. Hala, nagalit na. Tignan niya. Nagalit na yun, guys. Nagalit. Tignan niya. Nagalit na yan. Nagalit na. Nagalit na yan. Kumanipat. Manipat man. Aduh, ginoo ko. Hala. Suko-suko ka daron ay nako kay nako kang. Huh? Tignan nyo guys how ganda-ganda it is. Okay guys, hindi pa ako kumakain ng breakfast. I've just been watching vlog. Anyway, good morning and
Somebody's right there. Somebody's right there watching me, watching me, watching me, watching me, watching me.
anyway, so yeah. So I'm going to eat. It's already almost 8 o'clock. 7:49. Let's cook egg! Wa na nabuang ng itlog. Let's cook egg. Pancake! Roxy said, "Mama is crazy." Even the bug, even Ham's looking at me like, "Hams, what is going on, Mama? What is going on, Mama? What is going on, Mama? What is going on? Mama is going crazy, oi! Help her! Help our Mama!" Hams. You are such a cute little man. Hala, nakalimutan kong i-close sa laka. Ay, nabuing na. Ay. Hala, ay, ang ganda sa palibot, guys. Ang ganda talaga dahil, you know why, guys? This time, ang ganda sa yung tree. Dahil yung snow nag-hold sa tree kasi yung tree white siya. So, ipakita ko sa inyo. I'm going to... Ang nakaganda dahil hindi windy, hindi nahuhulog yung snow from the branches at kahoy. So, mag-double. Yes, I'm going out over there. We're going out to play. Si Roxy na-excite. Yes, na-excite si Roxy calls. Yes, you are going out there. Okay, punta na tayo sa labas, di ba? Naghintay na itong dalawa. Hi guys, nag-enjoy naman si Roxy guys. Tignan nyo guys, itong gloves ko guys, walang finger. Puro lang. No finger, root, finger root. Oh my god. So ito siya. Tuputong lalaputong. Roxy, akala niya naglalaro ako. Hindi ako naglalaro, Rox. Ay, akala mo lang yun. Wala. Pero meron. Anyway, guys. So, anyway. It's really nice outside. I really want to go walking and looking around and stuff like that. But, alam nyo na, kung maglalakad-lakad ako dun sa bundok at maghanap ng kahit anong ma-film, baka ako yung matangag ng hayop, guys. Ako yung makain talaga. Puso'y nalilito, nalilito ang puso ko'y, puso'y ganito. Ay nako, puso'y nalilito, nalilito'y ang puso'y ko'y, walang katulad woy, magbuot-buot woy. Ay nako talaga. Balik na naman tayo sa labas guys. Kailangan tayong mag-shrivel. My boy. Hold on. Oh, it's my boy. Oh, what a cutie boy. I'm talking to your brother. Not open your mouth. Close it. Good. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Aday. Aday. Close your mouth.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find.
Hi guys! Katapos ko lang naligo. Pero, hindi ako nakapag blow dry ng hair ko dahil andito ang blow dry sa baba. Where's Misty? Come up. Dari kang, ala. So, ginuukuin ng libawt akong nanguan ako mga kaunuran ng lihok. Okay. Mama has to do hair thing first. May bago akong lagayan. Dance boogie-boogie na. Ang na roundy-roundy. What? Ano ba ito? Ba't maraming puti-puti nito eh? Right, hintayin pa na niyo ako, guys. Hintayin pa niyo. Be careful, ha? Careful nga, di mahulog. Di kayo mahuhulog. Kasi very clumsy. Especially Roxy calls. Especially itong si Roxy. Palaging nahuhulog dito. Slide. Right, Mitch? Your sister is clumsy. Where is she? Where is she now? Where is she? Oh, she's right there. She's right here. Tutoy. Yeah, nag-stop na yung snow. I clean up here. Yung mga kapitbahay namin, guys, naglilinis na sila sa driveway nila. Ako hindi. linis. Mamaya na lang yung linis ko. Kapag gabi na, wala nang makakita. Charot. Takot. Meron pala akong steak dito, guys. So, ang gagawin ko na lang nito is, anong tawag nito? Ay, meron pa akong potato dito. Ay, nako. Ay, ano ba to? Paano ko ba to? Ano? Ay, ano ko siya, ima-marinate. Ilagay ko ito dito. Pepper. And then, itong calamansi seasoning. Itong dalawa, guys, naghihintay lang itong palabasin ko. What? Ay, nako talaga ha, dimple words.
You're 9 months sober, and you were pretty deep into this. What was the hardest thing digging out?
Where I was, like where I came from, and started over.
But you know, this was hard for you to see at the time and face it.
A couple unknown conversation, and I want to thank.
Like when he's going behind.
Change tayo sa news. Kasi gusto ko malaman kung ano yung mga weather na yan. Did you just fart? Oh my god, nangutot. Ay, palautot. Palautot si Roxy. Palautot. Roxy just farted. She jumped, guys. Sumutot siya, guys. Ganito, guys, ang tono. Ganito, guys. Adet ang nangyari, guys. Sinimot-simot niya yung puwit niya, ano? Ay, naku, umutot. Sinong umutot? Sinong umutot? Okay, guys, so punta ako sa labas. Tingnan nyo, kaluka. Punta lang ako sa labas and Roxy, you cannot go out. You go out later when I get back. Kunin ko lang yung shovel. Pumunta ako doon at saka I was planning of like shoveling. Pero guys, hindi ko natuloy kasi sobrang bigat at saka it's very thick snow. Mabigat. Hindi ko alam kung ano na. The baby cries like this. Oha! 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 Oha!
What? That sounds like something from the wilderness.
Oh, what?
Sounds like something out in the wild.
No, it's oha, oha.
What is that? Baby kangaroo? What?
Ay, nako, honey.
I know.
It's oha, oha, sweat. Oha, oha.
Did you ever hear a baby say that ever?
Okay, can you just tell me what the baby cries? And that's a freaking...
I had girlfriends who had babies, and it's not enough to that noise.
You have a girlfriend that had babies. What the heck is that, hon?
Rockabye, baby, rockabye.